Hey guys, I want to show you this fun AA tool. All you need to do is to go to scribblediffusion.com. It's completely free, and what it does, it allows you to draw stuff and it generates a picture out of it. So let's see from the example. We have this drawing of a cat, and here the prompt is a photo of a cat. We can add something. Maybe we can add like stars or something. Stars, and see what it's gonna generate. Let's go. It doesn't really look like a real cat, but it followed the sketch exactly, and the stars that we added looks like butterflies or something. So pretty cool. Let's try something different. Let's try a landscape. Let's try mountains. I don't know, sun. Great painting. Okay, maybe a lake. And let's put lake, mountains at the sunrise. And let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh, fancy. From trying it out, I found that the landscapes work the best. But what I really want to show you is I tried this before, and can you guess what am I drawing? Okay, you'll never guess. Look how fancy this is. From a very bad sketch, it made a very fancy image of Lamborghini, and it added all the fancy features. Look at the wheels. The shape of the car looks very futuristic to me. I give it a 5-star, really like it. So try it out yourself, play around, it's free, and sometimes you wouldn't even imagine what images it generates from your scribble and prompts. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about cool AI tools, subscribe.